The Indian Army has placed an order for 5 QRSAM regiments from Bharat Electronics Limited, and a company official has said that all 5 regiments with 90% indigenous content will be delivered to the Indian Army in 2024. The QRSAM is mounted on a 8x8 truck, and each launcher has 6 missiles, that is designed to provide 360-degree defense coverage. The Director General of DRDO's Electronics and Communication System Dr. B.K. Das has said that the Uttam Ace radar will soon be offered to countries that are keen to equip it on their fighter jets. The DRDO is in talks with an air force of a friendly country, which is planning to equip its existing Russian origin fighter jet with modern Ace radar system. Hindustan Aeronautics has unveiled the first production variant of the Tejas Trainer, that will be delivered along with 3 more trainers to the Indian Air Force's first Tejas squadron by the end of March 2023, and 4 more trainers for the second Tejas squadron later this year. After these initial 8 trainers, HAL will be delivering 10 more trainers that will be inducted into 5 new Tejas squadrons that will be formed when deliveries of the 73 Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet commences from February 2024. Bharat Forge Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with Paramount Group to develop and produce composite rotor blades, mission systems, and store management systems for medium-lift helicopters. The Ministry of Defence has identified medium-lift Indian multi-role helicopter for industry-led design and development in the country under the Special Purpose Vehicle model, and private industries are being encouraged to take up the design and development of the platform. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has signed an agreement with Argentinian Air Force for the supply of spares and engine repair services to Argentinian Air Force's Llama SA-315B helicopters, which is produced under license entirely in India under the name Cheetah since 1976. India's Gopalan Aerospace has signed a 3-way partnership agreement with Slovakian firm Magic Trading Corporation and DEF-SYSTEC for development of precision drones in the country, including the AX2 Predator high-precision weapon system that carries a 3 kg warhead and has an operational range of 120 km, cruise speed of 320 km per hour, a flight endurance of 30 minutes, and has an operational altitude of 6,000 meters. Gopalan Aerospace has signed a joint venture with Czech firm Paramount Group to develop and integrate the 400 km range Vera-NG passive long-range reconnaissance and monitoring system for the Indian defence sector that are designed for detection, identification and monitoring of air, ground and naval targets. It has a tracking capacity of 500 real-time tracks and a large target library capacity of 10,000 targets. Garuda Aerospace has unveiled its solar-powered high-altitude drone that is designed specifically for intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance operations, and will provide high-quality real-time photos and videos to the High Command. It is expected to conduct its first flight in August 2023, and it will have an endurance of 12 hours and can fly at an altitude of 3,000 feet. The DRDO's High Energy Materials Research Laboratory has transferred the technology to produce the 1,000 pounds thermo-ba-ric bomb to Munitions India Limited, that will start the mass production in the coming months, and an initial batch of 500 units will be delivered to the Indian Air Force by the end of 2023. Ukrainian aircraft manufacturer Antonov has signed an agreement with National Aerospace Laboratories to exchange technical information and cooperation on regional transport aircraft design and development. The regional transport aircraft will have a seating capacity for 100 people, and it will feature a fly-by-wire flight control system, next-generation power plant, open distributed modular avionics, and maintenance concepts that will reduce costs by 50%.
Attention.